Welcome back. Continuing the news. The Ministry of Health says facilities have been identified to store COVID-19 vaccines that will be selected for Jamaicans. However, when the first batch of vaccines are available in the island, it will be administered to only 15% of the population. We have the details in this report.
More than $8 million US. That's how much it is expected to cost the government for the first phase of the rollout of the COVID-19 vaccine in Jamaica. At Thursday's sitting of the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee PAAC, Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Health, Dunstan Brand, disclosed that payment of just over $1 million US has already been made. The balance, he explained, will be paid from the next budget.
The subsidized cost for the 20% is around 8.2 million US. And we have had the initial deposit of about $1.1 million through CARFA, which is the Caribbean Public Health Agency. And so the balance we are programming for fiscal year 2021-22.
Right. However, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa Mackenzie said the island has facilities for the storage of the COVID-19 vaccines. She adds that the vaccines will be acquired in batches.
The storage conditions that are required are conditions that we presently have in country. So this is the minus 20 degrees that you would have heard associated with another type of vaccine, and this is the present this is like in your freezer.
The first batch of the vaccines will be used to vaccinate only 15% of the population, which includes health workers and vulnerable persons. As for rural areas, the CMO said she is not expecting any transportation challenges.
This particular vaccine, that's the minus 20, remember this is the storage where it is stored for up to 6 months. It can be under those conditions, but then up to 30 days, once it's taken out of that, it can be stored at 2 degrees to 8 degrees, which is your normal conditions in your refrigerator.
The country is expected to receive the first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine between April and June. Jamaica is among 6 Caribbean Public Health Agency CARFA member states provided with the full down payment required for the COVAX facility. The COVAX facility is designed to accelerate equitable access by countries globally to safe COVID-19 vaccines. Prince Moore, TVJ News.